Good morning, students. Welcome back to Maths e-learning class. Today, we are going to start a new topic, measurement. Dear students, how long is your scale? What is the weight of your bag? How much water your water bottle contains? Now, how can you give answers of these questions without measuring them? So, students, in our day to day life, we use different units to measure length, weight, and volume of things. But why we need metric system? बच्चों, पुराने समय में भी हम डिफरेंट चीज़ों से मेजरमेंट करते थे, जैसे वेट के लिए स्टोन्स, लेंथ के लिए हैंड स्पैन एंड फुट स्टेप्स, स्टिक्स एटसेट्रा यूज़ करते थे। लेकिन इनके डिफरेंट साइज होने के कारण हमारी मेजरमेंट डिफरेंट हो जाती थी। इसलिए हमने मेजरमेंट करने के लिए मेट्रिक सिस्टम बनाई जो ऑल ओवर द वर्ल्ड सेम यूज की जाती है। The system of units which is commonly used to measure length, weight or volume is called metric system. First, measurement of length. We can measure length of pencil, ribbon, lace, desk, park, distance between two cities, etc. Commonly used units of length in our day-to-day life are millimeter, centimeter, meter, and kilometer. Students, units used for measuring lengths: kilometer, hectometer, decameter, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. And short form of kilometer is km, hectometer hm, decameter dam, meter, decimeter dm, centimeter cm, millimeter mm. In all these units, kilometer is the highest unit, biggest unit, and we measure long distances in kilometer. And millimeter is the smallest unit, and we measure smaller objects in millimeter. Students, 1 centimeter 10 millimeter के बराबर होता है, 1 decimeter 10 centimeter, 1 meter 10 decimeter, 1 decameter 10 meter, 1 hectometer 10 decameter, 1 kilometer 10 hectometer. Let's take one example. Convert 625 centimeter into meter. Students, सेंटीमीटर से हमें मीटर तक पहुंचना है, तो सेंटीमीटर ये 10 टाइम्स एंड दिस 10, तो 10 10 100, 10 को जब 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे 100, तो इट मीन्स 1 सेंटीमीटर इज 1/100 मीटर। तो 625 सेंटीमीटर को हम 100 मीटर में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए 100 से डिवाइड करेंगे एंड इट कम्स 6 मीटर 25 सेंटीमीटर। मेजरमेंट ऑफ वेट और मास. When we buy sugar, rice, vegetables, fruits, etc., then we used units of mass like kilogram, gram, and milligram. Commonly used units are kg, g gram, and mg milligram. Students, units used for measuring mass are kilogram, hectogram, decagram, gram, decigram, centigram, milligram. All these are short forms: kg, hg, dag, g, dg, cg, and mg. Kilogram is the biggest unit of weight in which heavy objects we can measure. Milligram is the smallest unit in which smaller objects like matchbox are measured. Gram is your basic unit. As we have observed in measurement of length, 1 kilogram is equal to 10 hectogram, 1 hectogram is equal to 10 decagram, 1 decagram is equal to 10 gram, 1 gram is 10 decigram, and so on. Students, 1 milligram is equal to 1 by 10 centigram, 1 centigram is equal to 1 by 10 decigram, 1 decigram is 1 by 10 gram, and so on. Now we have to convert smaller unit to bigger unit. Let's take an example. Convert 7385 gram into kilogram. From gram to decagram 10 times, and decagram to hectogram 10 times, and hectogram to kilogram 10 times. It means 1 gram is equal to 1 by 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, or 1 by 1000 kilogram. स्टूडेंट्स 7385 ग्राम को किलोग्राम में चेंज करने के लिए हम 1000 से डिवाइड करेंगे. वी हैव डन हियर 1000 7 जा 7000. Rest these are grams and this is your kg. Now measurement of capacity. When we buy liquids like milk, juices, petrol, etc., then we used units of capacity. Commonly used units of capacity in our day-to-day life are kiloliters, liters, and milliliters. Students, units used for measuring liquids are kiloliter, hectoliter, decaliter, liter, deciliter, centiliter, and milliliter. These are short forms of these units. Kiloliter is your biggest unit. In it, we measure large amounts of liquid. And milliliter is your smallest unit in which smaller amounts of liquids are measured. Liter is your basic unit. स्टूडेंट्स, जब हमें किलो लीटर से मिलीलीटर तक कन्वर्ट करना है तो वी हैव टू मल्टीप्लाई बाय 10 10 10. Students, when we have to convert smaller units to bigger units, we have to divide by 10. Now let's take an example. 4825 milliliter into liters. 10, this one 10, and this one 10. When we multiply these, it becomes 1000. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. 4825 milliliter को हम 4825 divided by 1000, or when we divide this, we get 4 liter and 825 milliliter. Now you can do recap exercise question 1 and 2. Exercise 9.2, question 1 to 7. Thank you. Have a nice day.